Welcome back. I want to show you how to make a delicious blue cocktail that you'll definitely want to share with your friends sometime. It's really easy to make. It's a blueberry mojito. And you start by making a simple syrup. Now this is a blueberry simple syrup, and all you need is a small saucepan, and in it you're going to combine 1 cup of sugar to 1 cup of water and 1/2 cup of fresh crushed blueberries. Then you want to cook this on medium heat for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then remove the blueberry skins using a slotted spoon and set the pan aside to cool. Okay, next what you want to do is muddle 7 fresh mint leaves. You can grow mint in a container, you can have it out in your garden, but fresh is very important. So I'm just going to place these 7 leaves down in the bottom of this highball glass, and then I'm going to muddle the leaves. And if you don't have a muddler, you can use a fork. You just want to crush them all against the sides like this. This releases a lot of the aromatic oils in the leaves. It's going to really add a lot to this drink. Next, just add some ice. You want to fill the glass about halfway full with ice. There we go. And then I'm going to take 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, which is almost an entire lime. And I'm going to take 1.5 ounces of silver rum. This will definitely give it a little kick. And then 1.5 ounces of the blueberry simple syrup. And this will last in the refrigerator for a long time. There's that. Look at that color, isn't that great? And then I'm going to add 1 ounce of your favorite fizzy water. Stir it all together, and then garnish it with just a little more mint. Garnish with a few fresh blueberries, and you've got a fun twist on a traditional drink. Really great. Give it a try.